Hi guys, if you want to know how to add buttons in Wix Studio, you are in the right place. You can add basic buttons, animated buttons, and also pay buttons, as you can see on the right side. Let's go. First, open your site in Wix Studio, click on the plus icon in the left sidebar, then find buttons, and here you can choose between basic buttons, styled buttons, animated buttons, and pay buttons. If you add a pay button, it's possible to add a payment method like PayPal, credit card or bank account. For this tutorial I'm gonna add a styled button because this kind of buttons are very customizable and you can link a website or another page inside your website. And as you can see here, I'm just dragging and dropping the button into the page. Find a nice position for your button, double click on it and change the text if you want. You can also choose what is displaying inside this button, for example only text, but you can also choose text and icon as I do here. In the bottom of this window you can see that you can choose an icon type and you can also upload your own icon. It is also possible to choose an animated icon. After clicking on this button there must be an action, so we are going to link the button to a web address, for example, or in my case I'm just linking it to another page inside my website. I'm gonna choose contact. Click on done and close the button settings. To customize the appearance and the look of our button, we need to select our button and then go to the right side. Here we have different options to change the text and the look of our button. I'm gonna change the background of our button to white, and to see the text I'm gonna change the text color to black. You can also choose a different font as I do here. I'm going for Arial Black. You can also change the font size. You can resize the button. I'm also changing the icon color to black, so it's also visible. Let's also add corners to our button. We can choose 25 for the radius. Let's click on preview and test the button. It is working and forwarding us to the contact page. Thank you for watching and see you next time.